Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Now for this, open this book Fantasia. Take out your book Fantasia and open page number 8. Page number 8. Yes, fast everyone, open your book Fantasia and open page number 8. Today we will revise again the remaining part of this poem. Everyone, open your book and take pencil to underline some words. Okay, now start. Start everyone with me. I can. As you all know, beta, this little girl is saying what she can do. What she can do. So yesterday we had read about these lines. Now today we will revise these lines. Okay? So start everyone. can. TIE, tie. My, SHOELACE, shoe, lace. Underline this word. Underline shoelace. Now again, I can tie my shoelace. I can comb my hair. I can comb my hair. I can wash, wash my hands. HANDS, hands and face. FACE, face. I can wash my hands and face. And, and, pet. Underline this word, PAT, pet. Myself, MYSELF, myself. DRY, dry with care. CARE, care. So read again. I can tie my shoelace. I can comb my hair. I can wash my hands and face. And pet myself, dry with care. So this little girl can do these things. Tie her shoelace, comb her hair, wash her hands and face, and pet herself dry with care. Now come to the next line. I can BRUSH, brush my TEETH, teeth. I can brush my teeth and wear. Underline this. WEAR, wear. Wear my socks. SOCKS, socks. I can brush my teeth and wear my socks. So she can brush her teeth and wear her socks. I can dress, DRESS, dress all by myself. MYSELF, myself. And zip up. ZIP, zip up my frocks. FROCKS, frocks. I can dress all by myself and zip up my frock. And zip up her frock. Okay. So that's it everyone. Now come to page number 12. Activity. Open everyone. Open your page number 12. Fill in the blanks using the clues. And then read the paragraph. So now in this activity we have to fill up these blanks using the clues. These pictures are clues. So you have to fill up these blanks using these clues and then read the whole paragraph. Okay? Start everyone. Peggy got out of. What is this picture? What is this? This is bed. B-E-D, bed. Peggy got out of bed. She went to the washroom. W-A-S-H-R-O-O-M, washroom. Took her. Took her. What is this picture? This is toothbrush. This is toothbrush. T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H. B-R-U-S-H, toothbrush. And brushed. Brushed her. What? What is this picture? Teeth. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Brushed her teeth. Then she opened the. What is this? This is tap. T-A-P, tap. And washed her face. Face. F-A-C-E, face. Write down, everyone. Write down. She used some. This is. Yes, you are using this while you were bathing. Yes, she used some soap. S-O-A-P, soap, to wash her hands. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Then she took a comb. What is this? Comb. C-O-M-B, comb. And combed her. C-O-M-B-E-D, combed her hair. Hair. H-A-I-R, hair. She put on a pretty. What is this? Frock. A pretty frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. And a nice pair of shoes. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Nice pair of shoes. She went out. Now she went out. Got onto her. This is what? You all have this? Yes. You all have this now? This is bicycle. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. And went for a ride. Went for a ride. Okay, now start, everyone, and read again. Read this paragraph. Peggy got out of bed. She went to the washroom. Firstly, she got out of bed and then went to the washroom, took her toothbrush and brushed her teeth. Then she opened the tap and washed her face. She used some soap to wash her hands. Then she took a comb and combed her hair. She put on a pretty frock and a nice pair of shoes. She went out. Now she went out, got onto her bicycle and went for a ride. Okay, so everyone, complete this activity and read again this poem, this complete poem, at your home. Okay, and this H point, this is your homework. This is your HA. You have to complete this at your home and read this poem, learn this poem. This is your HA and learn poem. Okay, bye bye everyone.